Hi, I'm Bill Powers, and I'm joined with Will Cathcart, and we are in a series of legal briefs or quick reference guides regarding Superior Court jury trials. Now, Will, I'm always asked, it doesn't matter what client, what's the difference between a plea of guilty and not guilty, and do you plead guilty or not guilty when you go before a jury trial? Now, to you and me, it may seem pretty simple, but can you kind of go through what we do?
In order to have a jury trial, it will necessitate pleading not guilty. If you plead guilty, then the judge will hear some facts and determine the sentence.
Right.
If you plead not guilty, it goes to the jury. You call the witnesses, ask them questions, put the case to the jury, and let the jury decide whether or not you are guilty or not guilty.
Right. The way I explain it to people is that the judge, he or she, is the finder of law, which means they make rulings on things like admissible, not admissible, objection, sustained. And they're the ones that do the sentencing. The juries don't do the sentencing in North Carolina, except for one important aspect, and that would be for capital murder. And even in those cases, they make a recommendation of the death penalty or not. It's ultimately up to the judge, the Superior Court judge, to make that ruling. Jurors, on the other hand, are the finders of fact, and they're the ones that determine who they believe, what they think happened, or maybe the better way to put it is the finder of truth, right? Mm-hmm. Now, how many jurors do you have normally in a criminal case in Superior Court in North Carolina?
In a Superior Court jury trial, it's required that you have 12 jurors and one alternate.
Right.
The alternate will sit there throughout the course of the trial in case another juror is excused in the middle.
Right. Now, you can actually have more. In fact, I recently tried a case where I think we had 2 or 3 alternate jurors. And it's up to the judge, and a lot has to do with how complicated the case is. And we actually used the alternate. In the first day, we had someone get sick. If you or someone you know is facing a serious case in North Carolina, whether it's a misdemeanor or a felony, and it's something that requires a jury trial, please give us a ring. We're here to help.